The Supreme Court on Monday dismissed the plea of a rape survivor from Kottayur in the Kannur district of Kerala who moved to the court seeking permission to marry her assaulter, reports PTI. The accused is a defrocked priest who is now undergoing 20 years imprisonment. The top court also dismissed a separate plea of the former priest seeking bail on the ground that he wanted to marry the survivor, who was a minor at the time of rape and had subsequently given birth to a child. A bench of Justices Vineet Sharan and Dinesh Maheshwari told the former priest, "The High Court has taken a decision consciously and we would not like to interfere with its finding." It told the victim that she may knock on the door of trial court with her plea to marry the former priest. Advocate Amit George, appearing for the former priest, said the High Court had passed sweeping directions in the case with regard to the marriage, which is a fundamental right. The bench asked George what is the age of the victim and the former priest, to which he replied that he is 49 while the rape survivor is around 25. The top court told George, "You yourself have invited sweeping directions from the High Court and it would not like to interfere." The Kerala government had earlier decided to oppose the bail plea of Robin Vadakkumcheri in the Supreme Court. However, the state will not oppose the survivor's plea seeking permission from the Apex Court to marry Vadakkumcheri. The Thalassery Court on February 12, 2019 awarded 20 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of Rs 3 lakh to Robin Vadakkumcheri, who was found guilty in a case of raping and impregnating the minor girl in Kottayur. Though Vadakkumcheri was awarded a total of 60 years imprisonment on various charges, he can serve all the sentences together. Rs 1.5 lakh from the fine should be given to the girl. Robin Vadakkumcheri was serving as a parish vicar near Kannur and was the manager of the church-backed school where the victim, a class 11 student, was studying. News Desk, Kaumudi English.